Today, I'm going to walk you through the process of integrating HubSpot with Google Meet. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to set up seamless video meetings that automatically sync with your CRM, making follow-ups and client management a breeze. Whether you're scheduling sales calls, hosting support meetings, or collaborating internally, connecting these two powerful platforms unlocks a ton of efficiency. So let's jump right in. First things first, you need to connect the Google Meet app to your HubSpot account. Start by navigating to the app marketplace in HubSpot. Just look for the little marketplace icon in the top navigation bar. It usually looks like a grid or a bunch of small squares. Once you're in the app marketplace, use the search bar and type in Google Meet. You should see the integration pop right up. Click Install App in the upper right. Yes, that big button. Now, you'll see a dialog box asking you to sign into your Google account and authorize some permissions. This is basically HubSpot asking for permission to connect with your Google Calendar so it can include Meet links in your meetings. Review the permissions, they're standard, and click Allow. You'll be redirected to HubSpot's Connected Apps page, confirming your new integration. Don't worry if this part takes a few moments. Sometimes permissions take a minute to sync across accounts. Now, let's set things up so Google Meet is the default video conference for meetings booked through HubSpot's scheduler tool. To do this, you first need to link your Google Calendar with HubSpot. Head to Settings, then General, and find the Calendar section. This allows HubSpot to access your scheduling availability and add Google Meet info to all your meetings. Next, go to the Meetings Scheduler, which you'll find under Sales. Here, you'll see a list of all the scheduling pages you've created. Think of these as your public booking links for clients or colleagues. Hover over the link you want to edit and click Edit. You'll notice a location setting, and you should click the Add Video Conference Link drop-down menu. Choose Google Meet right from the list. This step is crucial because it ensures that every new meeting booked via that link will automatically include a unique Google Meet room, so there's no confusion about where or how everyone should join. Once you've made your changes, hit Save. Take a breath here, because once this is done, you won't need to manually add video links for each meeting. HubSpot will do all the heavy lifting. Sometimes, of course, you may want to schedule meetings directly from a CRM record, like when you're already deep in a contact or deal timeline and need to set up a quick call. In this case, simply navigate to the record, contact, company, deal, or ticket, whatever you're working on. In the left panel, you'll see a little calendar or meeting icon. Click Schedule a Meeting. When the setup window appears, find the location dropdown and select Google Meet. Once you save, HubSpot automatically adds the Google Meet link to the invitation sent to your contact. This can be a lifesaver when you're managing dozens of conversations and want to keep everything consistent and easy to access. Now, for a really handy feature, you can use HubSpot directly inside a live Google Meet meeting. This is especially useful if you're running sales calls, support sessions, or any scenario where seeing CRM data enhances the conversation. While in a Google Meet, click the Activities icon or the Meeting Tools button. Find and select the HubSpot app icon. It may look like the HubSpot Sprocket logo. Sign in with your Google credentials if needed. With the app open, you'll be able to instantly pull up participants' contact records, jot down meeting notes, and even link the meeting to an existing deal or ticket, all right there during your call. If your HubSpot plan includes playbooks and you have a professional or enterprise seat, you can access and use these right within the meeting to guide your discussion, ensuring you cover all the important points. And that's it. You're all set to supercharge your meeting workflow with HubSpot and Google Meet. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or need tips for more advanced setups. And if you want more practical guides like this, make sure to subscribe for future tutorials. Thanks for watching. Happy meeting!